would say like the biggest problem in all of AI, not only computer vision, is about the quality of the data. So garbage in, garbage out, meaning if you have bad data, doesn't matter how well you train the model or what sort of tricks do you use, like the model that it's going to produce is not going to be of high quality just magically. So having good data that is diverse, that represents the general case, that shows different situations. In the case of computer vision, that would be like if you're trying to detect something and you want to detect it at day and night, you need to have images during the daytime, during the nighttime, having it from different angles, having it from different reflections, if there's lights pointing at it, like being able to show to the model all the different situations that's going to see in real light, making sure that the data is diverse, making sure that there are enough examples, and that you have shown it what it is that you are trying to detect. So whenever you train a model, like you have some sort of loss function. In this case, I mean, I know that for non-technical people it's a bit abstract, but it's about teaching the models like what it is that you are trying to do here. So when we're using an object detection model, what we are trying to do is to making sure that all the instances that of a specific class, let's say human, that they have a bounding box around them, and that we do not have any other random bounding box when there isn't a human. So in this particular case, what we want to make sure is that the output of the model is something that we can use, or we know how to translate it into specific business goals. Because maybe it doesn't matter to detect what's a person, but like if you can detect when there is an intruder and send the right alarms, then it can be very valuable for the business. So it's about like trying to bridge the output of the model with the actual business goals, or providing the information that's going to make a real difference for the company. Finally, the last thing that I think is a big problem is the lack of expertise. Like these are not easy systems to work with, and you cannot expect to just get a solution out of the box and everything work like perfectly, just because you want it to. Like those are very complex systems, and it requires quite a lot of expertise to do so. And there are experts in the most niche of fields. So like if you're not getting good results, like sometimes what I mean is like it's easy to get the project started, but like maybe there's going to be like an artificial limit that you cannot pass unless you have the experience or the expertise, because there are quite a lot of different things that can affect it, like we talk about light, perspective, the size of the object. There's quite a lot of different things that can affect the performance, and knowing them all takes quite a lot of experience. Like, I mean, I'm not claiming to know them all, but like, in every different project, I'm learning new ones. So that's how it works.